Hello everyone, today I'm making another tutorial and I've taken this assignment from an official document. Here you can look at this situation. As I told you before you attempt this, you should go to internet and Google some word families and just take a look at 5 to 7 word stuff like Google tell me 5-letter words, 6-letter words, 7-letter words, so you can read them. And there's another way how we can do this. Now you look at this assignment this is an actual one and it's an official one. So here you can see neveler. No, it's not an English word. Then efend. No, this is again not an English word. Then keyboard, of course, everybody knows this is an English word. Next comes is lost. Lost is an English word. And then comes road. Road is of course an English word. Bookshelf is an English word. Pretend. Now pretend is an English word. Now you need to note down, if it looks like an English word but its spellings are not exactly that word, it means that that's not an English word. There are many European languages which have this kind of words. Then hoken. No, again this is not an English word. Abalone. Abalone. No, this is again not an English word. Funny, yes, of course. Bicycle. Okay. Then pirate. Now, of course, the word is direct in English and it has a little bit of difference. Therefore, you won't take it as an English word. Then readly. Now you know that read is an English word but readly is not. Got it? Okay. Then comes Dober. Doberman is a dog breed, and no, again this is simple. Dober is not an English word. Then comes cocaine. No, this is not an English word. Then comes quiz. Okay, yeah, of course, quiz is an English word. Then comes golf. Yes, of course, that's an English word. And mark. This is how you can identify. Now the catch is that you will be given some word which is a lot similar with another English word, right? But its spelling are not accurate, or it sounds a bit different. So you can say that it's not an English word. So remember this, and before you attempt your exam again, read word families. Word families have very useful words, even those words that you do not know. Nobody knows. So that's a great source. There are more than 1,000 words in total, and you should read them before you attempt this part of the test. Thank you. And if you need some personal guideline, if you have a problem, please post it. And I'm giving you my email down there. You can contact me, and you can also write if there's a problem in your comments. Thank you. Have a nice day and have a great life. Best of luck for your test.